Do you ever feel like everyone around you seems happy, while you're just trying to keep up? Like life has become an endless series of obstacles you're forced to dodge, leaving little room to truly enjoy it? If that sounds familiar, know that you're not alone, and there is a better way. Now imagine for a moment, once you are gone, what do you want people to say about you? That you were always stressed and just getting by, or that you lived a life filled with joy, purpose, and peace, despite the challenges? Today, I'm here to share practical ways to help you work through what feels negative and overwhelming, along with steps and tips to help you start seeing life in a new light. Happiness doesn't have to wait. This is the video you've been looking for. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding and managing stress. Let's start by addressing one of the biggest happiness blockers: stress. To manage stress, we first need to understand it. Step 1. Identify common stress triggers. We all have specific things that stress us out. These could be finances, balancing work and life, or even health concerns. Take a moment to think about your own sources of stress and write them down. Recognizing patterns is a powerful first step toward managing stress. Step 2. Practice healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for protecting our energy, especially at work or in relationships. You can create simple boundaries like designating no work times in your day, or setting limits on how much time you spend on social media. Healthy boundaries help prevent burnout and give you control over your time and energy. Step 3. Master stress relief techniques. Sometimes, managing stress is as simple as taking a deep breath. Techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, and journaling help release tension. Let's do a quick exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and slowly exhale. Even one breath like that can help calm the mind. Step 4. Shift perspective with cognitive reframing. How we think about stress makes a huge difference. Instead of seeing challenges as threats, try viewing them as opportunities to grow. Shifting your perspective even a little can take away some of the pressure that stress brings. Part 2. Making choices that lead to happiness. Once we understand stress, we can move on to making choices that genuinely contribute to happiness. 1. Choose gratitude over complaining. Gratitude is one of the simplest ways to lift our mood. By focusing on what's good in our lives, we crowd out negativity. Each day, try writing down 3 things you're grateful for. It's amazing how this small habit can shift your perspective over time. 2. Choose self-compassion over self-criticism. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes happen, but dwelling on them just amplifies stress. Think about how you'd talk to a friend who's going through a tough time, and apply that same kindness to yourself. 3. Invest time in relationships, not material goods. Studies show that relationships, not possessions, bring lasting happiness. Instead of focusing on things, focus on people. Spend time with family and friends, even if it's just a quick coffee date or a phone call. These connections make life richer. 4. Prioritize experiences over possessions. Money spent on experiences often brings more satisfaction than buying things. Try planning activities that create lasting memories, like a weekend trip, a hike, or even a cooking class. Part 3. Overcoming barriers to happiness. We've talked about stress and choices. Now let's look at common barriers that can block happiness and how to overcome them. Barrier 1. The trap of comparison. Constantly comparing ourselves to others can make us feel inadequate. Remember, you're on your own unique path. Limiting social media use or focusing on your own progress can help reduce comparison and boost self-esteem. Barrier 2. Letting go of past mistakes and regrets. Holding on to regrets weighs us down. Practice self-forgiveness by writing down any regrets and then, mentally or physically, letting them go. This helps us move forward with a fresh perspective. Barrier 3. Overcoming the fear of failure. Fear of failure often holds us back from what we truly want. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing mistakes as learning opportunities. Taking risks, even small ones, can boost your confidence and open doors to new experiences. Barrier 4. Letting go of the need for external validation. Seeking approval from others can lead to choices that don't align with our true values. Practice self-validation by setting goals that are meaningful to you, rather than trying to meet other people's expectations. Part 4. The 10 Steps Blueprint to Happiness. Step 1. Cultivate a positive mindset. A positive mindset is the foundation for happiness. It's not about ignoring challenges, but about choosing to focus on the good in every situation. Daily affirmations, simple statements like "I am capable" or "I am grateful for today," help reframe your thoughts, making positivity a natural part of your life. Keeping a gratitude journal is another powerful tool. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have, increasing appreciation and joy. Step 2. Set meaningful goals. Goals give life direction and purpose, but to truly make you happy, they need to align with what you value. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you, whether it's career success, relationships, or personal growth. Then, break down these big goals into smaller, achievable steps. If your goal is to learn a new skill, start with 15 minutes a day. If it's to improve your health, aim to walk daily. By setting meaningful goals, you create a roadmap that guides you toward a life that feels fulfilling and true to who you are. Step 3. Prioritize physical health. Physical health is closely linked to emotional well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can lift your mood and reduce stress. Prioritizing sleep ensures your body and mind have time to recover, making it easier to stay positive. Finally, a balanced diet fuels both your body and brain, helping you feel your best. Try setting simple goals like moving for 30 minutes a day, establishing a regular sleep routine, or adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals. These small changes can have a profound impact on your mood and overall happiness. Step 4. Cultivate self-compassion. Self-compassion means treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. When you make a mistake or face a setback, resist the urge to criticize yourself harshly. Instead, remind yourself that everyone struggles and that mistakes are part of growth. Try using self-compassionate phrases like, "It's okay, I'm learning," or "I'm doing my best." Over time, this gentle approach reduces stress, builds resilience, and creates a strong inner foundation for happiness. Step 5. Nurture relationships. Close relationships are essential for long-term happiness. Regular connection with loved ones, whether through a heartfelt text, a quick phone call, or an in-person visit, reinforces a sense of belonging and love. Make an effort to reach out, even for a few minutes, and prioritize quality time with the people who matter most. A simple gesture, like sending a thoughtful message or planning a shared activity, can strengthen bonds and add warmth to your life. Step 6. Embrace the present moment. Living in the present helps you appreciate life as it unfolds, rather than getting caught up in worries about the future or regrets from the past. Practicing mindfulness exercises like taking a few deep breaths and noticing your surroundings can ground you in the moment. Meditation, even just for 5 minutes a day, can also help center your thoughts. When you focus on the here and now, you're able to fully experience joy and contentment, which are often found in the simplest moments. Step 7. Focus on personal growth. Happiness grows when we feel we're progressing and improving. Personal growth can take many forms, from learning a new skill to exploring a hobby that excites you. Make it a habit to set aside time each week for something that challenges you or broadens your perspective. Whether it's reading, taking a class, or practicing an instrument, engaging in growth activities adds excitement, accomplishment, and meaning to your life. Step 8. Give back and practice kindness. Acts of kindness not only help others, but also boost your own happiness. Giving back fosters a sense of purpose and connection to something greater. Kindness can be as simple as holding the door for someone, offering a compliment, or volunteering your time. Setting a goal to do one small act of kindness each day can uplift your mood, reduce stress, and create a ripple effect of positivity in your life and the lives of others. Step 9. Let go of what you can't control. Many of us spend time and energy worrying about things outside our control, which can drain happiness. Practice accepting life's uncertainties and focus instead on what you can control, your actions, reactions, and choices. Try making a list of what's in your control and what's not. When challenges arise, shift your focus to what you can do rather than what you can't change. This mindset brings a sense of peace and frees you from unnecessary stress. Step 10. Practice self-reflection and celebrate progress. Regular self-reflection helps you appreciate your growth and understand what brings you happiness. At the end of each week, take a moment to think about what went well and what you'd like to improve. Celebrate even the smallest wins, like completing a task or taking a step toward a goal. Recognizing your progress, no matter how small, fuels motivation, builds confidence, and adds to a lasting sense of fulfillment. Part 5: 6 tips to enjoy life more. And to make life even more enjoyable, here are 6 simple tips to bring more joy into your days. Tip 1: plan experiences to look forward to. Anticipation is powerful. Whether it's a vacation or a relaxing weekend, having something on the horizon boosts happiness. Tip 2: embrace a morning ritual. A calm morning routine can set a positive tone for your whole day. Tip 3: make time for hobbies. Engage in hobbies that bring you joy, whether it's painting, cooking, or hiking. Tip 4: appreciate the little things. Take time to savor small everyday moments, like a warm cup of coffee, the smell of rain, or a beautiful sunset. Tip 5: connect with loved ones. Quality time with family and friends is key to lasting happiness. Tip 6: make peace with the thought of death. Accepting life's impermanence encourages gratitude and helps you focus on truly living. This mindset helps you appreciate life more fully and not sweat the small stuff. Conclusion and reflection. Happiness isn't a destination, it's a journey made up of small, intentional steps. From managing stress to making positive choices and embracing the present, each of these steps builds a foundation for genuine, lasting happiness. Remember, happiness doesn't mean everything is perfect. It means you're content with where you are, grateful for what you have, and open to whatever the future holds. Try incorporating just one of these steps today, whether it's practicing gratitude, letting go of comparisons, or making time for a loved one. With patience and consistency, you can build a life that feels joyful and fulfilling.